Today, we're going to show you some of the important features of our Sony XAV-AX3250 CarPlay and Android Auto wired radio, which can be added to most vehicles as both a technology and user experience upgrade. So, let's jump in and see what this radio has to offer. Let's start by looking at the highly responsive resistive touchscreen. It's a 6.95-inch screen with an advanced anti-glare coating to reduce both reflections and glare from sunlight. This type of touchscreen is more responsive than many factory touchscreens, so it's a significant upgrade for most vehicles. Logically placed buttons on the bottom of the screen allow for quick and easy control of system volume, tracks, or station selection. One press gets you back to the home screen, and a quick access option button allows you to access key features like your EQ, subwoofer level control, and others. The home screen shows intuitive, simple to understand icons that take you directly to specific functions, reducing driver distraction. The shallow mount, single-DIN chassis design means this radio can be installed in a wide variety of vehicles, including those with limited space in the dashboard. The 6.95-inch screen sits flush with compatible installation kits to blend into your dashboard just like a factory radio would. Connections are simple on the back of the radio chassis, with a standard Sony power and speaker output harness, 2-volt RCA preamplifier outputs, and a rear-view camera input that can either keep your compatible factory or aftermarket camera. With a Sirius XM satellite radio connection on the back of the radio, you can connect an optional, separately sold tuner to get a great nationwide radio experience. A 3.5mm aux input port on the back of the radio allows you to connect an aftermarket accessory cable to get audio and video composite input to the radio, which can be handy for an external video source like a camera or a portable video player. We are all more connected to our phones than ever, and the latest smartphones offer access to so much information at your fingertips it's hard to look away. However, they aren't safe to use while driving your vehicle, and in some cases, just touching your smartphone might not be allowed. To remedy this, the XAV-AX3250 provides Bluetooth connectivity for wireless streaming sound with compatible devices. It also provides wired Apple CarPlay connectivity to your compatible iPhone and also wired Android Auto connectivity to your Android phone. This technology allows your phone to display maps and allows voice activation for calling or text responses automatically for safe operation, keeping you connected while keeping your eyes on the road. Either type of phone is connected via a USB-A cable on the back of the radio chassis that can also provide up to 1.5 amps of current to charge your phone while driving. That same USB-A connection is used for the WebLink Cast capability, allowing a phone's compatible video, music, and apps to stream directly into the radio screen. You can also play compatible digital media files like FLAC, MP3, AAC, or WAV using a portable USB memory stick. Great sound quality is always an important element of any Sony product, and the XAV-AX3250 provides tools to help tune the sound output for your vehicle's interior and then customize it to get the personalized sound that you want. A touch control 10-band graphic equalizer lets you customize the sound or select one of our great equalizer presets. A crossover gives high-pass control for normal speakers and a low-pass subwoofer adjustable crossover for your dedicated subwoofer output. Turn on the Dynamic Stage Organizer or DSO for enhanced soundstage optimization at the tap of a button. This radio lets you keep all the great features you know and love in your vehicle, including factory steering wheel controls. These controls are critical for easy control of your infotainment system while driving. And the XAV-AX3250 allows you to integrate those existing controls with it. This radio includes an onboard steering wheel control input, compatible with some cards via a customizable steering wheel control setup with an easy-to-understand setup screen. It also is fully compatible with most aftermarket third-party steering wheel control adapters, modules, and harnesses, which essentially translates your vehicle's commands and delivers them to your new radio. This awesome radio provides seamless integration with your existing vehicle controls for easy operation without having to change how you use the current ones in your vehicle. Finally, you can make the radio home screen accent your vehicle's interior, or add some flair by selecting one of the preset colors to add a personal touch. These are just some of the features that make the XAV-AX3250 an amazing upgrade to any car or truck. If you're interested, you can ask your Best Buy team to learn more about its features or specifications, or to get it installed in your vehicle. I've been Simeon from Sony. Thanks for watching.